Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove last name on Facebook. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click the three lines at the down right, and we're gonna go as scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Next you will see the second section, which is privacy shortcuts, and as you can see right here, this is privacy. You're gonna just scroll down until you find I update your personal information. And after you clicked your name, you will see the full name, and it says right here other names if you want to add other names. And it says right here in the little box that you can change your name on Facebook right now because you've changed it in the last 60 days. Okay, but if you want to learn more on how, if you want to change your name, and it says probably you can't just add first name without last name. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click learn more, so we can learn more about why we can't add just a middle name, and we'll get enough of it. And after you've read the article, if you're still having trouble changing your name, you're gonna just click to fill this form to request name change. Okay, so you're gonna add a first name, and if you want to add a middle name or last name, or if you want to add first name and middle name, but you have to provide it with an ID document that proves that you don't have a last name. Other than that, you can't. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.